Alright, what's going on, everyone? So today, well, not today, it's tonight, as you can tell. I have a little update video on how a little update video on the blow valve installed a couple of days ago. So far, it works pretty good. It's not as loud as I thought it would be, but I mean, it really don't matter, I guess. The only problem I had with this so far is, I think, when was it? I want to say Tuesday. It was a couple days ago. My check engine light came on, and it was a code for the blow valve solenoid. And supposedly to get rid of that, or for the reason that caused it was that the spring that comes with it is too stiff and doesn't allow the solenoid to open up all the way or something like that. I don't know, and the only way to fix it is to upgrade to a softer spring, which is blue, I guess. Yeah, it's blue. And yes, other than that, it works fine. I'll see if I'll try to get some clips of it so you can hear it. Yeah, it's a good blow valve. I would recommend it if you don't want like something that's louder. Right now it's set to like really stiff due to it didn't clear my front bumper, but it's where the stock blow valve went, and supposedly it's supposed to clear it, but I don't know, I guess something's up. But yeah, so far I would recommend this to someone. Watch. Hey, probably won't be able to hear that. I'll do some revs here when I get to my house. It's like just down the street. But what I was seeing earlier on one of the Velocity pages is that someone was fluttering, which is strange because exactly the same blow valve, and I didn't flutter, so I don't know what's up with that. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get some revs. Alright, here we go. So yeah, I guess this will be the little update video on it. I plan on upgrading to I do plan on upgrading to the HKS and the cold pipe upgrade later in the future, so that one will be up for sale. And it's not that I didn't like it's anything wrong with it or it's messed up. It's just I want a little bit more louder. But I've also been reading that you throw the shit's locked. The code more with the HKS. So there's also that. But yeah. Also, fuck, that's locked. Damn it. Well, oh well. But yeah, on Sunday I may have another video of an install for a hot pipe from this, the new one from Turbo Socks. Well, hopefully, if I get it tomorrow, I should be able to install it Sunday, along with some rain guards that I ordered too. But yeah, blow valve working fine, no flutter other than that check engine light once. I guess that's gonna be it for the little update videos. Catch you guys later.